Oh my god, there's actually plants growing out the top of the light as well, look.
There's a missing barrier light too.
Where? Oh my,
barrier.
oh my god, there is as well. The barrier light's come off over there, look.
This barrier sat all the way down for now, but give it when the train.
Well, that barrier was like above the fence line last time we came here in February.
Yeah.
Doesn't seem like that, does it? Since we came here, and I actually thought this would have been upgraded as well, but it's not. Oh well. I'm actually surprised, to be honest, but.
This barrier's starting to lift off the floor because it's leaning on the floor now.
Is it coming off the? Oh my god, yeah! It's like very.
It does that. I don't know why this barrier is the worst for
weak,
out of these
like
two.
that is on the floor. It's not very. It's not like.
It's not like
It's up very slightly. So if that floor had been a bit lower, then it might just be off the floor.
Yeah, it probably banged there though because that sticks up. I don't know why. But by the time the train gets here, that barrier won't be touching the floor at all. See, look, it's moved up already. Joe, look, it's actually moved up a bit already. It's not touching the floor.
Oh, is it? They do tend to like go up slightly, like very slowly when they're down.
See, look,
Depends how long they're down for. Oh my god, it's actually started to raise. Yep.
That barrier's still on the floor, which it was. I wonder if you left these barriers down for 24 hours, would they just be all the way up by the
God knows. I'd have no idea what it would do.
thought you weren't coming up to the crossing there.
Well, I wanted to catch the closure from far back. Okay, so Clay Mills is missing a barrier light. Odd.
One last bit of metal skirt on there. That's really well. Really uncommon to catch metal skirts on these barriers now. Look, no, that barrier's nowhere near the thing. Look, that's proper high up now.
Wait, Adam.
That's just mean. That is just mean.
That's Pluma for you.
Wait, was that you who said that or Will?
No, it's him. Will.
But it's
Adam digging for food.
a bit mean.
No, he's only joking. Right, it's starting to come up slowly, isn't it?
It is, it's nowhere near
It's
the floor
it's gone up like a lot since it went down.
It's nowhere near the floor now. See?
Well, it is. But that one was like really high up last time.
No, but I mean, like, compared to like the fact that it was touching just like 2 minutes ago, now it's like. That terminal block looks new. The last time that we were here, that one was old. I think. I'm not sure actually. Let's check.
What the hell's that noise?